Put your name in the chat box. Send your work timely. And now we are going to start our topic. Good morning, children.
Ma'am,
Please switch off your microphones, everyone. Good morning, children. As you all know that we have started our chapter fractions, that is parts and wholes, and we have done the introduction about the fractions. We have done how to reduce to the lowest terms. We have done types of different fractions. We have done the how to compare the fractions. We have done how to order the fractions. We have done how to convert the fractions. Today we are going to do how to add the fractions. Sometime if your mother gave you like half chocolate, sometime your mother gave you one half chocolate to you and half chocolate to your brother. So now if she is asking how much was the total chocolate, so how you will add the fractions, add and subtract. So we are going to learn today how to add and how to subtract the fractions. Just look here, addition of fractions. This is our today's topic, addition and subtraction of fractions. First we will start from addition of fractions. In addition of fractions you will get different type of fractions. First we will start with like fractions. As you all know that like fractions are the fractions which have same denominator. Can you here see add 3 upon 7 and 2 upon 7? Here we can see the denominators are same. When the denominators are same, it is very easy for us to add them.
Ma'am, we
Now
have
you
to
can
write in
look
the
here.
notebook.
Our, my dear, I will tell you when to write. Now our first fraction is 3 upon 7 plus 2 upon 7. Now when the denominators are same, we take the common denominator and we just add the numerators. 3 plus 2 is 5 upon 7. Like fractions are very easy to add. As I said, take the common denominator because the denominators are same and just add 3 plus 2 is 5 upon 7.
Ma'am, I can't see you. Ma'am?
Here,
Ma'am, Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Madhuri ma'am, my board is visible.
Ma'am, your
Madhuri
board is
ma'am.
visible, but ma'am, your voice is breaking up.
Okay, now. Okay, I will
Yes,
say it
ma'am.
again.
Now you explain again the second
Okay.
one.
The second is 3 upon 9, 1 upon 9. This is the second example. Here also you can see the denominators are same. We take the common denominator which is 9 and we just simply add the numerators. 3
Hello,
plus 1.
Renu ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, actually your voice is not audible. We
Okay,
could.
ma'am. I'll
Yeah.
repeat again.
Yes, you need to repeat, please.
Okay. So the second one
Ma'am,
is 3 upon 9 plus 1 upon 9. So here also the 9 which is denominator in both the fraction is same. So we take the common denominator which is 9 and we will add the numerators. 3 plus 1 is 4 upon 9. Am I clear to everyone?
yes, ma'am.
Please write in the chat box and now
Yes,
start writing in your notebooks. This is the first situation when the addition of like fractions. Please write in the chat box now. No messages, please.
Ma'am, we have to write the board.
Yes, you have to write the full. Put the today's date.
Renu
Put
ma'am.
topic. Yes, my dear.
Renu ma'am, I have not come 2-3 days because my father has not that you have
It's okay,
done
my dear. What's your name? Which child is this?
Kanan.
Kanan, it's okay. You send me the mail. I have seen your message in the classroom, but you send me the mail on my Gmail account, and I will send you the record.
Okay, ma'am.
Madhuri
Devanshi,
ma'am,
you need
just
to
check my
wait.
board.
Ma'am, it is visible. Actually, you were talking to Kanan, no? So you were in between. That is why. Devanshi, you
Okay.
need to wait. Okay, beta. Ma'am is catering other things as well.
So now my board is clearly visible.
Yes, ma'am. It is clear.
Now start writing, my dear children, and give thumbs up after completing. No need to.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I cannot see.
Which
Who is
child
that?
is this?
Ma'am, Prithvi.
Prithvi, you go to Renu Punjabi ma'am and pin to Renu Punjabi ma'am's icon. So you will see my full screen.
Ma'am, I can't see your board properly.
Ma'am, it is visible actually. Prithvi, quickly log out and log in again.
Okay, ma'am.
Children, please start writing.
Ma'am, can you please teach again? Because of the network issue, I couldn't hear from my device. So I had to change the device.
Okay. Wait. See, I will repeat for the children who join late, who facing the problem, and those children who are clear, please start writing. Addition of like fractions. Addition of like fractions are the like 3 upon 7. Like fraction, as you all know, the fraction which have the same denominator. Here we can see 3 upon 7 and 2 upon 7 is having the same denominator. So when we have a like fraction and we want to add them, in that case, just take the common denominator for once, like 7 we have taken, and add the numerators. When I repeat again, when you have a common denominators, then you only have to add the numerators. So 3 plus 2 is 5, and take the common denominator, which is 7. Take one more example. This is 3 upon 9 and 1 upon 9. Here also you can see the denominators are same. So we take the common denominator, which is 9, and we add the numerators 3 plus 1, which is 4, and the denominator is 9. So our fraction after adding is 4 upon 9. Are you all clear now, Aheli? Aheli, you are clear? Okay, thank you, my dear. So please give your thumbs up to ma'am. Madhuri ma'am will instruct me whether I should go proceed or I should wait.
Ma'am, please do wait. They are still writing.
Okay.
Purva Jain.
Yes, ma'am.
Purva, I said if you want to drink or something, you switch off your camera and then you can do it. Please do not do this in the class, okay? Have you written, Purva? Those who finish, please
Yes,
put
ma'am.
in. Renu ma'am, 2 more minutes. It's okay, ma'am. It is visible. The board is fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Just give me a thumbs up if you finish, okay? Quickly.
Now I will erase this side and I will explain you the next topic. Here we have done addition of like fractions where you were having only fractions, two fractions to add. Now we will do where you will get the three fractions to add. For example, 3 upon 8, 2 upon 8, 1 upon 8. In that case,
Ma'am, it's third one, not second one.
okay, it's third one. So this situation is, here also it's same. We take the common denominator, which is 8, and we add the numerators. So we can write the next step after putting equals to the right hand side, or we can write the step down also. I don't have a space, so I put the equal to sign here and write the next step here. My next step is to add all the numerators. 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 upon 8. Children, please remember here one thing. You have, after adding, you have to do it in the lowest term. Reduce it to the lowest term. Please always remember. Here we cannot reduce because 4 upon 9 is not coming. Both the numbers are not coming in one table. 5 upon 7 also not coming in one table. But 6 upon 8, they both come in one table. So you have to reduce it. We have learned how to reduce the fractions. 6 upon 8. So we have to take the HCF of 6 and the 8. 2 3s are 6. 3 1s are 3. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. Now we will write which is the highest common factor in both the numbers. So the factors of 6 are 2 into 3, and the factors of 8 are 2 into 2 into 2. Now you can see which is the highest common, which is in both the numbers. This 2 is the highest common factor. So out of these two, we will take 1, 2 as a common and divide it with the numerator and the denominator. So now my next step is, after dividing 6 with the 2, 2 3s are 6 minus 0. So 3. And now I will divide 2 with the 4, 8. Sorry, 8 with the 2. 2 4s are 8. When you subtract, your quotient is 4. So now are they coming both in any table together? Are they coming, both the numbers coming in one table, 3 and 4? Please
No,
write the answer in
ma'am.
the chat box.
Yes, ma'am.
No, 3 and 4 are not coming in one table. So now we will stop. This is your final answer. So please remember, when you are adding or subtracting the fractions, you have to reduce the fraction. When the final answer after adding or subtracting, then you have to reduce it into the lowest term. And lowest term, how you will check? You will check by that both the numbers, the numerators and the denominator is coming in the one table. And then you calculate the HCF. After the HCF, divide the numerator and the denominator with the highest common factor. I think I am clear. Please write this also in your notebook. Please write. This is also one of the examples. Please write. And at last, please write one line also in the bracket. Remember, reduce the answer in the lowest to the lowest term. This is important line to remember.
Renu ma'am, can you repeat so I can type the line in the chat box?
Yeah. Remember, first write the remember word. Reduce the answer. Reduce the answer to the lowest term. Reduce the answer to the lowest term. This key point you have to remember, that after adding or subtracting the fraction, you have to remember this line, that reduce the answer to the lowest term. Now I will erase this. I hope you all have written this part. Those who have written this part, they come to the next situation. We have done with the ma'am, Madhuri ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Is
Yes,
it
ma'am.
visible clearly?
Yes, ma'am, it is visible.
I think Sarah is facing some problem. Ma'am.
She is having network issues. Sarah, pin to Renu Punjabi ma'am's picture, and if you still face a problem, log in, log out quickly. Ma'am, you can continue.
Now the next situation we have done with the like fractions. Now we are going to do with the unlike fractions. Addition of unlike fractions.
Ma'am, can you wait a minute because I'm writing the last.
Yes, right.
Ma'am, we can't see the full board.
Who's this? Which child is this?
Ma'am,
It's Mayank.
Mayank, you cannot see my board?
ma'am, I can see.
Ma'am,
Mayank, go to Renu Punjabi.
it is visible, ma'am. I think he is having issue somewhere.
Mayank, just log out and log in again, my dear. Ma'am, Purv also facing problem. The
No, ma'am,
screen
I
is
can see the screen proper. Maybe you just
Sarah,
turn on your camera, Renu ma'am. Just turn on your
Okay.
camera. Yeah, ma'am, it's
Ma'am, now you said.
Fair
I
enough.
have written.
it's clear enough.
Okay, ma'am. So now,
Ma'am, now it is clear.
okay. So now the next is add 2/3 and 1/5. As I said in the beginning, that like fractions are the fraction which have same denominator. But now we are doing unlike fractions. Unlike fractions are the fraction which have different denominator. Can you see here? Here is 3 and here is 5. These are the unlike fractions. Now, how we will add them? If you have remember, now listen here. If you have remember that we have done comparing the fractions, there we have learned the butterfly method. Yes? So now let's see how the butterfly method works here. See, right, when you do the solution, write the fraction again, put the plus sign at the place of and, 1/5. Butterfly method is multiply this with this number and multiply this with this number, and then for the denominator multiply this with this. Can you see here the butterfly? Yes, children? Now let's see how to apply this butterfly. Madhuri ma'am, is it visible?
Yes, ma'am, clear enough.
Okay. So now let's see how this butterfly works on the fraction.
The butterfly is visible. Perfectly done.
Okay. Now see how this butterfly works. For the common denominator, we multiply this with this. 3 into 5 is 15. So we write both the side 3 into 5 plus sign. Now multiply this numerator with this denominator. 2 into 5 is 10. And multiply this numerator with this denominator. That is 1 into 3 is 3. Now after this, I think you must be clear after getting the denominator same. What is the next step? Our next step is to take the common denominator. What will be the numerator? Please write the answer in the chat box. Children, I'm waiting. Please write the answer in the chat box. What will be the very good Swara? Devanshi? Yes. Nishika, what this at the rate 5? Yes, Aheli, very good. Now, 10 plus 3 is 13 upon 15. So, now lowest term is possible here to do. Please write yes or no in the chat box. Please write the answer in the chat box that whether it is possible to do it in the lowest term. No. Why? Because 13 and 15 both are not coming in one table. So we stop here. So this is our answer. So have you understood the butterfly method of adding when the fractions are unlike fractions? I hope you all are clear. Please start writing in your notebooks. Please start writing in your notebooks. And please remember, this butterfly method will only work when there are two fractions to add. Now we will learn, after this, we will learn how to add the 3 or more fractions in the like fractions. We have learned with the 2 fractions how to add them with the butterfly method, which is quickly we can do it. After this, we will learn. Please write the answers in your notebooks. After that, we will learn how to add the more than 2 fractions with the unlike fractions. Please make this also so that it is clearly understandable by you that you are going to do this method.
Kannan, please put your camera properly and make it stable.
Ma'am, I want to ask you something.
Yes,
Ma'am,
my
I have
dear.
one doubt.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, in unlike fraction, we cannot do three
You cannot?
addition.
I said we will do 3
Like
addition. We will do after this.
Ma'am, but we do in like or unlike, or we can do in unlike also.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
We can do in unlike.
The method of unlike fractions in three fractions, it is different, which I'm going to teach you after this. Madhuri ma'am, can I proceed?
And I
Everyone is
request
done.
everyone to turn on your cameras.
Ma'am, can I proceed with the next? Madhuri ma'am. Madhuri ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, you can.
Yes,
They
ma'am.
Yes,
have
Renu ma'am,
done?
continue. Renu ma'am, continue, please.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
Renu ma'am, you can continue.
So now we will learn how to add more than 2 fractions which are unlike fractions.
Prithvi, you're disturbing the screen. It's okay, Swara. Just pay attention.
For example, 3 upon 7 plus 6 upon 7 plus 2 upon 5. They are more than 2. They are 3 fractions. Butterfly method will not applicable here. We will do it with the LCM method. LCM or the multiples method, lowest common multiple. Now, here you have to write the multiples of these three numbers. Multiples means multiplication table. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35. First, we will write till 5. We will check which is the lowest common multiple. Then again, it is the same number. We write the multiples of 5. 5 ones are 5. There are two methods of calculating the LCM. One is the division method, which you take like this. 7, 7, 5. If you must have remember, we have done in grade 4. This is also one method. And this is also one method of writing the multiples. When you are writing the multiples means you are writing the table of that number. 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30. Now I want to check, and 5 sevens are 35. Now I want to check which number is the least common multiple in all the three. Means it is the first common multiple in all the three numbers. Very good, Swara, Advika. So I see 7 is not there in all the three, 14 not there, 21 not there, 28 is not there. So 35, which is the first common. Least common means the first common. First common multiple in all the three. After getting the first common multiple, please write till here, then I will erase. Write the multiples. Children, please write the multiples, how to calculate the multiples.
Yeah, Renu ma'am, please wait because the board is nearly full.
Now,
Yeah,
it is not visible.
they are still right. No, it is visible, but you have written the board is full, so they are
Good,
still
yes.
writing it.
Yes, yes, yes.
Ma'am,
Anubhavi, you
Anubhavi
have,
Gupta.
yeah.
Yeah, ma'am will
Anubhavi,
answer afterwards.
Anubhavi, you have to send me the mail on my Gmail account. I will then send you the recording.
Okay, ma'am.
So after writing multiples, children, circle this. This is the least. LCM is 35.
Ma'am, written.
Everyone? Advika, if you're facing any problem, send me the Gmail mail. So I will send you the recording. Now I'm going to erase this. So after calculating the multiple, which is the lowest common LCM, so now our next step is you have to write the fractions lengthwise. After writing all the fractions lengthwise, you want here 35 as a common denominator, which you have taken as the LCM. So 7 multiplied by which number that you will get the 35? Please write in the chat box. As I said after, yes.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, I have not space. Can I write at the next
Yes, my
page?
dear.
Okay.
So after getting the LCM, keep the LCM as the common denominator in all the Advika. Advika, you send me the mail. I will send you the recording.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then you will able to complete it.
7 5 is 35.
Yes. So as I said, LCM is 35 in all the three because we have taken the LCM. So 7 5s are 35. We have multiplied the numerator with the 5, sorry, denominator with the 5. So we have to multiply the numerator also with the 5. 3 into 5 is 15. Same here, to make the denominator same, we multiply with the 5, we multiply numerator also with the 5. We write here 30. Multiply with the 7, multiply this also with the 7, we write here 14. So our main thing here to get the denominator same, which we have taken from the LCM. Now after getting the denominator same and multiplying the numerator and denominator with the same number, now we got the fraction which is 15 upon 35 plus 30 upon 35 plus 14 upon 35. Take the common denominator 35. Add the numerators 15 plus 30 plus 14 and tell me the answer in the chat box. What is 15 plus 30 plus 14? Please write the answer in the chat box. Yes, it is 59 upon 35. 59 upon 35. One more thing here also we have to learn. In like fractions, we have learned that we have to reduce the fraction. Here also we will learn one more thing, that when the numerator is smaller than the denominator, yes,
Convert the fraction into mixed fraction.
yes, when the denominator is smaller than the numerator, we have to write the answer in the mixed fraction. Because see, it is 50, I will write here, it was 59 upon 35. So 59 will be divisible, we will divide it and we write the answer. When this is only applicable when the denominator is smaller than the numerator. Here what is smaller? Denominator, which is 35. So we will divide this. 35 ones are 35. Subtract 9 minus 5 is 4 and 5 minus 3 is 2. After dividing, how we will write this answer in the mixed? Aryan, tell me. Switch on your microphone.
Ma'am, remainder will be numerator.
Remainder will
Divisor will
be
be
numerator. Divisor will be at his place. And the quotient will go here as
mixed whole number.
whole number. Yes. So this will be your final answer. If you want to check whether your answer is right or wrong, 35 ones are 35 plus 24 gives you 59. So 59 upon 35. This way you will check your answer also. Clear, am I? Clear to everyone?
Ma'am, because of net problem, I was can't join 2 times. Please send a record.
My dear, you send me the mail.
Ma'am, I will also send you mail because of network problem. I was leaving again and again.
It's okay, my dear. Those who facing the network problem, they can send me the mail. I will send them the recording. Okay, children. Now, we have done addition today. You all have written?
Yes, ma'am. Everyone
No,
has
ma'am,
written.
I'm writing. Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am, I am writing.
Oh, Prithvi is writing. Ma'am, we can wait for a minute.
Ma'am, I cannot write. I am not writing.
Prithvi, you are talking and then you are saying you are not writing.
Devanshi is talking. Ma'am, I am writing.
It's okay, my dear.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Ma'am,
Excuse
please
me, Renu
continue.
ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I am Swara. I was telling you, after the class, can you just tell me how to send photos from
Dear,
to you?
you send me on mail. Attach the photo, click photo and send me through Gmail.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, your camera is not visible.
Wait. Now,
Ma'am, no.
now,
No, ma'am.
Madhuri ma'am, can you please check? Madhuri ma'am. Madhuri ma'am. Aryan,
Ma'am, now clear.
it's visible.
ma'am. Now only.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children, do it fast, my dear children.
Yes, ma'am.
They were telling about.
Renu, ma'am.
Actually, the shadow is falling on it. That is why.
Okay,
That's
now.
why.
Ma'am, done.
Yeah.
Yes, my dear.
Ma'am, my mobile's battery has low. Can I leave?
Put it on charging, my dear.
Yes, Renu,
With the
ma'am, you can continue.
subtraction topic, we will continue. With the subtraction topic, we will continue tomorrow.
Ma'am, time is over.
I know, my dear. So, with the subtraction topic, we will continue tomorrow. And one more topic left in the addition, which is how to add the mixed fractions. So, how to add the mixed fractions, that also we will do it tomorrow. We will end up our class today here. Thank you, children.
Bye, ma'am.
Please complete.
Bye, ma'am.
And then leave, my dear children.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.